I guess he doesn't like to be on camera.
Nope.
And I'm running out of juice, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. Hey, bro, you want to let me use your plug in there?
Hey.
Bruce coming down?
I don't know. Is he coming down?
No. No, I told him to take this card for you.
I wonder if we should call that OPP.
Make the call right now.
Here?
I'll hold this one, you hold that one. Holy, what are you guys doing? Getting these guys all excited.
Your service has been temporarily disconnected.
Really?